Hello everyone, in this video we're going to turn 9 volts into 60 volts. This is how we're going to do it. I start by taking out the coil in a contactor. A contactor is like a switch that uses a coil of wire as a magnet that closes contacts so the electricity can pass from one point to another. I'm going to use a toy motor and some powerful neodymium magnets. I epoxied the magnets onto some nylon that I'm going to use as the motor shaft. Then I solder each end of the coils onto each other. I'm using 2 coils to get more voltage. You can also just use 1 coil. Then I previously drilled a hole into the shaft and I epoxied it onto the motor shaft. Then I hot glued everything into position, as well as a 9 volt battery and a switch. As you can see, from the 9 volt battery you can get almost 60 volts from the magnet spinning alongside the coils. It also powers up these two 12 volt LEDs perfectly, but is it free energy as some YouTubers claim? To test this, I'm going to solder on a diode. This takes alternating current and makes it direct current. I'm going to do this so I can try power up the direct current motor, so I can see if it can form a loop and power itself. By adding the diode, it cuts the voltage down to 30 volts, but this should be more than enough to power the motor, so let's see. You can see as I cut the power from the battery using the switch, nothing happens. You can also hear the motor straining as it draws more power from the battery. You can see the power from the coil stored into this capacitor as it releases when I short the 2 wires. What YouTubers don't tell you is that when you increase the voltage by adding the coils, you decrease the amperage. As the motor turns the magnets, it uses a lot of amperage as well as the voltage. And as you add any resistance to the coils, the motors will draw more amperage from the battery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.